Hi everybody. I placed the order for this on March 1st and today is March 16th, so it took a little bit more than 2 weeks to arrive. I watched so many unboxing videos and I guess I'll open this box first. That was so satisfying. Can you see? Oh my gosh. Seen this? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, it's so... Guys, I need to take a moment. I need to take a moment to look at this. This is 256 gigabyte of SSD and 16 gigabyte of RAM. So this is what the MacBook looks like. Oh my gosh, it is so nice. I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's so nice. Okay, I'll just leave that to the side. It's actually, I wouldn't say it's small, but it's definitely not a big laptop. I know, like, this is just me being a while, like, since I've seen like a new laptop, so yeah. Anyways, this is what we got here, and we got this charging port. I'm gonna have to undo the stuff with two hands, and then I heard that this is a USB-C to USB-C charging cable that's quite big, I think, quite long, so yeah. Okay, so in here we have everything out. That's interesting. We've got like an extra layer of stuff. Okay, I'll have a look at that later. And then here are the space gray Apple stickers. Pretty darn cool. Okay, and then I normally don't want to take this stuff off, so I actually might not take this stuff off. It's like sticky. Okay, put that back. Yeah, we won't need this for now, I think. And then, yeah, that's the charging cable. Everything like that. Let's move this aside. That's what it looks like. Whoa. Whoa. That is beautiful. That is so nice. This is beautiful, guys. I need to get a case. This is so different from my current MacBook Air, so I'll show you guys like a comparison a little bit later. But oh my gosh. Can you guys see me in the reflection? Whoa, it smells fresh. Oh my god, this is so nice. I'll show you guys. Clearer close up. Oh my god. Look at how nice it is.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I will set this up. The trackpad is also really big. Bye.